I'm Caroline, and you guessed it, I'm a clogger. Now some of you may be wondering, what on earth is clogging? Well, I'm here to tell you about this awesome folk dance, and even teach you a few steps, so get excited. Clogging is an American folk dance that began in the Appalachian Mountains. In the 1700s, the Appalachian Mountains were settled by immigrants from Ireland, Scotland, England, and even Germany. The settlers would come together and combine their own folk dances to form a foot-tapping dance of some sort. And this was the beginning of the clogging that is done today. It was often accompanied with fiddle or bluegrass music and was used as a means of personal expression in a land of newfound freedoms, according to Jeff Driggs, who is the editor of the Double-Toe Times Clogging magazine. The dance was also known as clog dancing until a group of cloggers known as the Soco Gap Dancers performed for the Queen of England in the 1920s. She was so amazed by their footwork and said that it was a lot like clogging in her country. The term has stayed the same ever since then. Folk dances have rituals and functions that they served in the societies they were present in. They were sometimes linked to agricultural years as well as courtship or competition. Now, I know a lot of you are thinking clogging is just a hillbilly dance that farmers or mountain folks do, but clogging has become quite contemporary throughout the recent years. Teams are combining clogging with other styles such as tap, Irish, and even hip-hop to make the dance even more unique. Most of the teams compete all over the country to win trophies and titles, and clogging is even a sport in the AAU Junior Olympics. Another neat fact about this folk dance is that clogging is also the state folk dance for our very own North Carolina as well as Kentucky. Now sit back and I want you to join me in learning a few basic clogging steps.
First we're going to learn how to do a double step, which is like the basic thing that you need when you start clogging. So first, you always start with your left foot as well. That's the other thing you do in clogging, you always start with your left foot. So how it goes is you go forward, back, step. Forward, back, step. It's that simple. The only thing you have to worry about is getting like up to speed. So it's forward, back, step, forward, forward, forward. It's as simple as that. And the next step we're going to learn is the basic, which is also very important in clogging because it's used in countless other steps. You're going to do a double step on your left foot, then you're going to rock step on your right foot. Then you're going to switch. Double step on your right foot, and a rock step on your left foot. So, double step, rock step, double step, rock step, double step, rock step. The next step we're going to learn is called the outhouse. And you're going to start on your left foot with a double step. Then you're going to rock step to the side with your right foot. Then forward with your right foot, and then back out with your right foot. Then you can switch to your other foot and double step on your right foot, rock step out on your left, rock step forward on your left, and then out with your left again. So doing the outhouse up to speed is double step, rock step, rock step. The last step we're going to learn is called the rocking chair. It's a little more complicated than any of the other steps that we've learned earlier in the video, but I'm sure that you can do it. You're going to double step on your left foot. You're going to step up with your right foot. Then you're going to double step with your right foot and put it rock step on your left. So you're basically doing a basic after you scuff up. So it's step, step, up, If you're feeling confident, you can add a clap when you scuff up. So now, to put all of it together, we're going to do 4 double steps, 4 basics, 2 outhouses, and 2 rocking chairs. 5, 6, 7, 8.